Put grapes in boiling water. Confectioner's secret. In a pan, add 200 g cream and 200 g condensed milk. Mix well, heat on low, and stir until it reaches this consistency. This is the perfect point, folks, the Moses point. The spatula leaves a clear path. Now let's transfer all this cream onto plastic wrap. Next, we'll seal it and let it cool naturally. With our cream cooled, let's take a small amount. I'll use about 20 grams for each part of the cream. After opening it, add a well-washed, sanitized grape in the middle. Then close it tightly. Now let's dip it in melted semi-sweet chocolate. Repeat the process with the remaining grapes. Transfer to parchment paper or a greased container. Refrigerate until it hardens. Look how incredible this grape bonbon turns out. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe from Bob and Cozina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.